Hello, welcome back to Cake and Bake, the channel where we learn to bake together. Today we are going to be learning how to make an Italian meringue buttercream. Now this recipe will make a buttercream that is smooth, delicate, and light in flavor. Let's do this. We're going to need 1 cup sugar, 3 sticks of butter, 4 large egg whites, a half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/4 cup water, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 3/4 of your sugar along with the water to your pot and boil until it reaches a temperature of 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you're using the right burner, as that's super important to actually heat the mixture. Alright, so while you're boiling the sugar and the water together, you want to simultaneously make a meringue. So add your egg whites, your sugar, the rest of your sugar that you haven't used in there, your cream of tartar, and your pinch of salt, and then beat that on high until soft peaks form. Alright, so you want to take your water and sugar mixture off the stove when it hits around 230 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. And what you want to do next is turn your beater on to a medium speed, and then you want to add your solution very, very slowly. A cool trick I learned is to take some ice out of the freezer and put it onto the bowl while you're still mixing. This will cool the mixture down quicker and it won't have any effect on the texture of the icing. After you let your mixture cool to room temperature, this is what it's going to look like. The next step is adding all the butter. So you're going to add the butter 1 tablespoon at a time, and you're going to let it mix in and incorporate before you add the next one. Okay, so the last step is to add your vanilla and then mix it on high for a few minutes. Guys, look at how awesome this buttercream looks. It is silky, white, and smooth, and the flavor is phenomenal. I am literally obsessed. Alright, you know the deal. This is where I thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I remind you to like the video. If you made it this far, you probably liked it. And then I tell you to hit that subscribe button. So if you haven't done any of those, do that. There will be one more video in this buttercream series, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for joining me on my Italian buttercream adventure. See you next time.